Hey, Travel Besties. Look, you know we're all about the fabulous bag life. Always looking for a good travel bag, okay? And today, I have a fresh find for us. Welcome her to the family. It is a Lovevook bag, y'all. I'm so excited about this bag. Isn't she beautiful? Now, at first glance, I'm already in love with this bag. I mean, structurally, it feels good. And most importantly, there's so many pockets. You know we love pockets, honey. And it has pockets on pockets on pockets on pockets. And so many compartments. And I'm ready to get into it. Okay, upon first look at the bag, I love the straps. There's a side handle and the backpack straps itself are thick and comfortable. The bag does expand all the way open. It came with 2 packing cubes and a shoe bag. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the packing cubes yet. And then there's a luggage strap inside to compress your clothing. At the bottom, there's a mesh pocket, and at the top, there's a leak-proof plastic compartment as well. There's multiple pockets in the front. There's a strap on the back to slide onto your rolling luggage, and there's a little hidden zipper where you can put your wallet or a passport. Now this is the part I love. The laptop compartment folds all the way flat. I plan to put my personal laptop and my work laptop, and it also has additional pockets as well. Okay, so what do we think so far? Are we liking it? I did a mock pack for you guys so y'all can see if it'll work. So we're gonna pretend like we're packing for a 3-day weekend, okay? So I have 3 dresses, a romper, a pair of shorts, a shirt, and pajamas in my packing cube. I decided to use a small bag for underwear and bras, and then I put a pair of heels and my slippers. I don't pack many shoes, strap it up, and look how much room I have. So now I'm gonna slide in my toiletries in the leak-proof compartment, my medicine bag in the mesh compartment, along with my makeup. Next, I'm gonna slide in my electronics bag, my eyeglasses and my contacts, my shades, and then I'm gonna put my wallet in the hidden compartment. I'll slide in my personal laptop and strap her on in, zip her up, and I am good to go. But before I end this video, let's see how much my Lovevook backpack weighs for a 3-day weekend. Look at that, 20 pounds, not too bad. The straps are comfortable, I feel good, I look good, and I am ready to go for my 3-day weekend. So go ahead and add this bag to the cart because I'm telling you, I feel like this is the one.